Hello everyone, I'm Yurgita from Lux J Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make this mermaid themed crown cake topper as well as necklace. Using various molds, I have created lots of cake decorations that will go on my crown cake topper. Some of them I will use to make a necklace for my mermaid cake as well. Here you see me do some free-handed decorations that will go on my crown. For the mermaid's crown cake topper, I was using another mold. This time it was Karen Davis mold. As always, I'm using a bit of cornstarch to help my fondant not to stick to the molds. So I added some fondant, I rolled it in, I pressed it in, and then I cut the excess off. I have made 2 of the same pieces. And now it's time to make a crown cake topper. So I'm using 2 of the same details and I'm brushing a little bit of water on one of them. And then I glue them together in between having 3 toothpicks. You can use as many toothpicks as you want. Then I let to dry this crown cake topper completely before doing anything else. I have decided to color some of my details in gold, so I'm using edible luster dust for that, diluted in dipping solution. As well, I was using various edible tints to give color to my other details. This fondant detail is going to be the gem of my crown, and I'm decorating it with extra sprinkles. I'm using a little bit of water to help me attach sprinkles to this detail. It's time to assemble my crown cake topper. I'm using a little bit of water to help me attach all the details to it. You can use melted chocolate, a dot of royal icing, other edible glue that will help you stick everything together. To attach all the other details onto my crown cake topper, I needed my topper to be on the cake. So here you see me inserting my crown into the mermaid's head. Once I'm happy with this position, I'm gonna add a missing piece of fondant in between, to which I'm gonna stick all the other cake decorations. As well, I'm going to decorate the back of my crown cake topper. And the last piece of this jewelry is the necklace. So I'm simply attaching fondant decorations to the mermaid's body using a little bit of water. And there you have it, the crown cake topper is ready, so is the necklace. Check out my other edible mermaid theme tutorials. Thank you for watching.